Let's learn 3 grammar points that's really important in daily conversation. The 3 grammar points are it is, it has, you can. These grammar points are great for describing places and things. First, recite the 3 examples and you'll know how to use them in no time. Alright, let's get started.
Example 1 is about Starbucks. It is relaxing. It has expensive coffee. You can catch up with your friends there.
Example 2 is about a luxury hotel. It is luxurious. It has a big pool. You can sleep in a comfortable bed.
Example 3 is about an iPhone. It is easy to use. It has a cool design. You can show it off to your friends.
Were you able to recite the examples? Now, let me explain really simply how these 3 grammar points are used. Once you hear the explanation, you'll be able to use them in your conversation for sure. It is describes the whole or entire place or thing. On the other hand, it has describes a part of a place or thing. Last, you can describes an action. Okay, now you understand it. Let's try making sentences using these 3 grammar points. You will see an image with some hints. Try making the sentences using it is, it has, and you can. Here's practice number 1. The hints are 1. Racing wheels. 2. Newest model. 3. Go 300 kilometers an hour with this car. You have 10 seconds to make the sentences. Here are the answers. It has racing wheels. It is the newest model. You can go 300 kilometers per hour with this car. Here's practice number 2. The hints are 1. The most amazing sunrise. 2. Beautiful. And 3. Go hiking here. You have 10 seconds to make the sentences. Here are the answers. 1. It has the most amazing sunrise. 2. It is beautiful. And 3. You can go hiking here. Here's practice number 3. Okay, this is the last one. Now with this one, you need to change the subject to he. The hints are 1. Long legs. 2. Run 100 meters in 9.8 seconds. 3. The fastest man in his country. You have 10 seconds to make the sentences. Here are the answers. 1. He has long legs. 2. He can run 100 meters in 9.8 seconds. 3. He is the fastest man in his country. Now you know how to use these grammar points. Congratulations! We hope to see you in our other videos. If you liked this content, please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. I really appreciate it.